Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
In this one, we're going to try to correct a very common mistake that 80 to 90% of the leaders are having, and it is very, very, very important to fix it right away.
What is that?
If you want to know, let's find out in the video.
But before going to the video, remember to subscribe, and if you're enjoying it, like and share with your friends.
Now, let's get to work.
Hello guys, here we are again on the dance floor and ready to show you this beautiful tip.
So now we're going to try, as we were mentioning, try to fix a very common mistake. And we're going to take it very, very simple first. We're going to initiate with a basic step and a forward ocho. So here's the thing. One, we are going to a regular cross. Now I'm going to show you the figure that we are doing. Pulling ocho, staying in feet together, accompanying her next ocho, and for example, resolution. Many of you already know that figure. It's just a basic step with the front ocho. Now, common mistake that happen on the leaders, and I see this a ton of them at the milonga. So here's the thing: 1, 2, 3, 4. Using your elbow and not your torso is wrong. So I will do it wrong. 1, especially here, look, and bringing her back, zack, to go, pam, pam. Did you notice that I lost totally the connection with her, and I was standing and she went, ja, ja, and walk back.
That move that he did, the second one, the wrong one, forced me to step with my head first, which is really bad for my lines.
Style, yeah, definitely. So, again, one more time, the way we used to fix this in the tip is that you, leader, want to invite her always in the direction you are going with your intention, not with your elbow. So for that reason, I'm doing two things. Instead of staying feet together, which is not good, I will try to cross behind. This will allow me, when I rotate, to face her a little more. Can you see that I'm opening my torso? I will be with my arms like this. Shun, 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 shun. I remain in a feet together position. My intention is here, but I am accompanying her with my entire torso. I'm not at this moment here.
Hello.
So now you can stay in this position, but I will recommend to take an extra side step to accompany the entire movement, and then nicely transfer body weight to resolve. Pam, 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 pam. It's just the same figure for her, but it requires a little extra work from us.
This is on the basic step, but that moment happens many times during figures.
Yes.
Later, when you improvise. Not only on the basic step, it happens when you are doing forward ocho from any figure, when you are coming from the
giro,
when you're coming from paradas,
yes,
colgadas. All the time, this is like cleaning the bases,
the foundations,
to have later a very clean figure, because you correct that little simple move that makes much easier to walk around the leader.
Yes, let us show you one more time from this side and then the other.
So for the followers in this case, we are going to the cross and take advantage of this move when he's rotating you, but you are in axis. So don't go with your torso at first. Take advantage of this, keep your center, send your legs so we create these lines, sliding out, and then we transfer body weight facing the leader. Same case here. I feel my center back on my right leg, which is my base leg, extending the left, showing this line, sliding if you want, sliding a little extra, and then transfer body weight to grow taller here, enlarge the position, float, and then going to resolution in much better axis, balance.
Yes.
Sometimes the big question is, how do I keep my balance, my posture? And this is one of the main moves. The leader is giving us space to move, timing, and we move from the legs not from the head.
Yeah,
That's
very common thing.
very important.
So now let us show you from the other side one last time with a little more rhythm. Even though I'm going to give you my back a little bit, we'll try to do it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just to put a few numbers.
You made it to the end of the video. You are awesome.
Thank you so much for your support, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment what you want to learn next, and we are going to make sure we do that for you.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Bye.